That's Surabhi. Well, let's focus on some real estate stocks now. Phoenix Mills, Keystone Realtors, as well as Puravankara. All of them are buzzing in trade. Sonal joins us to fill us in with a quick analysis on all of them. Sonal?
Thank you so much for that. Largely strong updates coming in across the board. Let me start with Keystone Realtors. Well, it was a decline that we saw on a YY basis in their bookings and sales volumes, but collections were healthy, and maybe that's the reason the stock is liking those moves in the company as well. Their pre-sales volumes were down 45%, pre-sales value was down 33% in Q2, but collections, they were high by 70%, and collections are very important to track for a real estate company as well. They say they completed 5 projects with construction area of 3.12 million square feet, and they've also added 4 projects with a gross development value of around 3,644 crore rupees in the first half of FY24 itself. They also remain very confident on achieving their pre-sales guidance. In first half, their pre-sales are higher on a YY basis. Their area sold has been flat, but again, their collections have been higher, and that is something which is positive for the company as well. For Phoenix Mills, it was again a good set. Their Q2 malls retail consumption was up 20%, and this led to higher collections as well, which were up by 23%. In their residential segment, which is not so big for the company, they have done very well. About 200% increase in their residential sales, and the company says demand has been very strong. Their hotels business did well. Their St. Regis, which is in Mumbai, saw room rentals going up by 32% in the first half of this fiscal. Their Courtyard by Marriott Agra Hotel saw their revenues go, or rentals go up by 13% on a YY basis. So looking good for Phoenix Mills as well. Lastly, Puravankara, we have seen value going higher by 102%, volumes up to 89%, and realizations also up 7%. So looking good for the real estate pack.
All right, looking good. In fact, as we speak, we also had at the bottom of the screen updates coming in from Ajmera Realty, and that looked good as well. That stock moved higher too. Sonal, thank you so much for that. With that, we'll step into a short break, but as we do that,